News, views, voices of the global Indian community. India abroad.
Hi, I'm Vaishali Mere. I'm here to represent Mrs. Bharat pageant that happened in New Jersey. Thank you for My Dream TV to give us the opportunity to participate in the pageant. And I was the winner at the pageant. I'm here at this Asian American Heritage celebration to also promote my small business. So I'm an event organizer, and I would like to, you know, come here to connect people and talk about it so that people know about the kind of events that I organize. As a small business owner, I think the most challenging part is networking because we don't know what's going on in the market, connecting with people, finding the right people. And of course, there's always a monetary challenge that goes along with it. So we are into event management company where we want to connect with a lot of people so that we can promote our events. And basically we do events for women, and we support small business owners. Yeah, I think that's a really great initiative if Kamala Harris is doing. I think this will also encourage a lot of women who want to start their business, always think about starting the business but never get around doing it. So I think that will be a great encouragement for them. Yeah, the the population is growing pretty fast. We celebrate all the festivals, come together as a community. I think it gives us the opportunity for us to teach our children our heritage and culture and the way how we, used to celebrate our festivals and back home in India. So I think it gives us a home away from home.